While cough is a common symptom of cold and flu, a persistent and long duration cough may be associated with infections like pneumonia, tuberculosis, lung abscess, or conditions like chronic obstructive airway disease, bronchial asthma, may be associated with heart disease like congestive heart failure, gastroesophageal reflux disease, allergic rhinitis, allergic sinusitis. If you have a long duration cough, or if you have cough associated with thick yellowish mucus, with blood, with chest pain, with frequent aggravation in the nights, with breathlessness, you must see the doctor and get necessary investigations done.